The Rebbe says to learn Torah, you not have to understand what you learn. Limud Torah is not to understand. Just say the words. Take a Mishnah, take a Gemur and start saying the words. If a person hears this the first time from this Derech HaLimud, it sounds funny, it sounds nonsense. What? Saying the words, not we davening here, we saying Tehillim. This is the Rebbe. No? You're not about plikte from the Rebbe. Yeah? The Rebbe was for 200 years ago, a Baal Riech HaKodesh, a Einikel from the Baal Shem Tov, grandson from the Baal Shem Tov. And the Rebbe says in Sichas Haran, Siman chapter Ayin Vuf, Limud Torah is B'li Havuna. You understand? It's good. You're not understanding? Say the words. My Ayin Masai Koirin, Es, Shma, Ba'arvis, Meshushaka. Start Masechtas Bruchas. Go on the row. Go on outside it. Go Kisidron. No, because if a person learns a daf, now you have to chazer, you have to be chayzer. No, not chazura. You finish the whole masechta. So what's going to be with chazura? Wait and see. The next masechta, you finish whole shas, now make chazura. I finish another time shas, now make chazura. Because they're asking, the Chazal says, Aloymet va'ayna chayzer, if a person learns and not doing chazura, how you say? Review, it's like a person plants in seeds and then fruits, and the fruits comes out, he goes away, not taking the fruits. So how you say this inside the Derech HaLimud from the Rebbe, you have to learn Kesidron, not to make chazura, not to review. No. The Rebbe has a way how to make chazura. You finish all Mishnayos, Shishu Sidre Mishnah, now you make chazura. We have here Bucharam, they finish, how much times you finish Mishnayos? 5 times. No, you make a chazura now. 5 times. How much times you finish Mishnayos? 7 times. Shragi, how much times you finish Mishnayos? 21 times. No? How much times you finish Mishnayos? 110. It was years, from 7-8 years. No? Ari, how much times you finish Mishnayos? 36. Baruch Hashem. Every day you're saying Mishnayos, befrat, no? Especially if you say 18 prukim a day, every month you finish the whole Mishnayos. This is the Derech HaLimud from the Rebbe. There are people that are making fun from this. Wow, you're saying? Come on. So what I should do in this time? I don't have a mind to learn. I don't understand learn. I don't have a chavrusa. I have 1,000 tritzim, 1,000 excuses why not to learn. So, I offer you a new way to learn. Take a Gemurah, start saying the words. It's not Limud Torah. So watching movies is Limud Torah, huh? And reading newspapers is Limud Torah, huh? What are you saying? This is not Limud Torah and this is Limud Torah?